Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to make this juicy and delicious honey barbecue chicken wings recipe. This recipe is packed with flavor. It's simple and delicious, so if you're interested to see more of this recipe, keep on watching. To get this recipe started, you will need 2 pounds of chicken wings. That's what my chicken wings looks like. It's nice and clean. We are going to go in and pat the excess water off these beautiful chicken wings. Next, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil onto the chicken, just like that. Then we're going to give this a very nice mix and continue with this beautiful recipe. To continue with this juicy and delicious honey barbecue chicken wings recipe, we're going to add these flavorful ingredients to a small size bowl. So we're going to add our garlic powder and onion powder. Next, we're going to go in with our ground black pepper, paprika seasoning, which is optional for this recipe, now we're going to add 1/4 cup of honey, To make this delicious honey barbecue chicken wings recipe, we're going to add our barbecue sauce, which is going to give these wings lots of flavor. Next, we're going to add just a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to mix to combine those ingredients. Now is the perfect time to add this sauce onto our chicken wings. After adding the sauce onto these beautiful chicken wings, we're going to mix very well, guys. Mix very well. Make sure these beautiful chicken wings are fully coated into the sauce. And that looks absolutely beautiful. The smell is amazing, guys. We're going to cover this with our plastic wrap. We're going to set it to marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we're going to get our baking rack ready. We're going to place these beautiful wings on our baking rack, just like that. Now is the perfect time to preheat our oven. So we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. We're going to set these beautiful chicken wings to bake for 40 to 45 minutes, flipping the wings halfway through. After baking for 40 to 45 minutes, this is what the wings looks like. It came out absolutely beautiful. It was nice and juicy. The seasoning, the spices was just right, and it tastes amazing, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this recipe. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients used. Also, please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Take care. Bye, guys.